So I went out and bought these bottled waters today at our local Walmart here in Uvalde to show you all the pH of each brand so we can see how they measure up. Using this pH range, 7 is neutral, which our bodies are naturally at. Anything less than 7 is acidic, which we don't want. Anything more than 7 or higher than 7 is better. Again, 7 is neutral, which we would expect our bottled waters to be at. So what we're looking for is green or higher. So let's get started. So this is Evian. This is the pH indicator that I'll be using today to test the water. So this one is, I'd say, right in between 7.5, 7.5. So this is higher than 7, so this is good. Next, we got Fiji. Here we go. And this one is, again, 7.5, which is higher than 7, and which is good. Next we got up is Aquafina. Let's see. Wow, okay. So this one is going to be right there at 6, which is acidic, which we don't want.
You can see it with your finger.
So this is a 6, which is acidic, which we don't want. Not good. Next up, we got Life Water. Brand new bottle. Let's see. All right. All right. This one here is going to be a 7, which is, again, neutral, and which is good. Next up, we have Smart Water. All right. And this one is going to be 7, neutral, which is good. Up next, we have an alkaline water. All right, so this one is a blue, which is going to be right, I'd say 7.5, almost an 8, which is better than we've seen so far, which is a good water. Next up, we have Ozarka. All right, so this is going to be a yellow, which is a 6, which is acidic and which we don't want. Next up, we have Sam's Purified Water. Okay, so this one, wow, I was surprised by this one. This is a 7, It's actually neutral, which is good. Next up we have Dasani. Alright. Wow. So this is Dasani, and Dasani is acidic at a 6. Maybe 5.5, which is a 6, which is not good. Next up is an alkaline water, is with what I have here at my house. All right, so this is a dark purple, and that's what you want. That's what you want to see in an alkaline water, which is right there at 9.5 or higher. Moving on. Next one is Pure Life by Nestle. Let me grab this cup here. All right. So again, we have here another 7, which is neutral, which is good. Last one here we have is Great Value Purified Drinking Water, so we would expect a 7 again. But I was wrong. This is going to be a 6. I put it at a 6, which is acidic, and again, that's what we don't want. So I went ahead and put them in order from worst to best. Here we have the acidic waters, which we don't want to drink. Worst off is we have Dasani. And then we have here Aquafina. Next up is Ozarka. Then we have Great Value Purified Drinking Water. And this is where we start our neutrals. Sam's Choice. And then we have Life Water. We're getting a little darker here with Smart Water. And then we have Nestle Purified Water. Getting a little bit darker with Evian. Then we have Fiji, which is still at 7, which is neutral. And then we have our alkalines. We have Dream Tree, which is at a 7.5. Because it's not that quite dark blue to be an 8. And then we have Aqua World Alkaline, which is the water I have in my home, at a 9.5. And ideally, you want your alkalines to be at least an 8 and above. So, if you have any questions, or if you have a bottle of water that you drink that you'd like for me to test, comment below on my video. Or if you'd like for me to go to your home and test your water, give me a call or send me a message. Thank you for watching my video.